How can you tell if a number is divisible by 7? A process you could use is to double the last digit, subtract it from the remaining number, and see if the result is divisible by 7. So for example, if you have 623, you would double the last digit, which is 6, subtract it from the remaining number of 62, and see if the result is divisible by 7. So because 2 cannot subtract 6, we have to borrow from the tens. So 12 minus 6 is 6, and then bring down the 5, so 56. 56 is divisible by 7, so that means that 623 is also divisible by 7. If you look at 549, for example, again, double the last digit, which gives us 18, subtract it from the remaining number, and see if that's divisible by 7. So again, we have to borrow from the tens. So 15 minus 8 is 7, 6 minus 1 is 5. 57 is not divisible by 7, which means that 759 is also not divisible by 7. If you look at 1,680, again, double the last digit, which is still 0, subtract it from the remaining number, which is 168, and you still get 168, which is still not very clear if that's divisible by 7 or not. So what we could do is actually repeat this process. So again, double the last digit, which gives us 16, subtract it from the remaining number, which is also 16, so 16 minus 16 is 0, which is divisible by 7, which tells us that 168 is also divisible by 7, and 1,680 is also divisible by 7. So if you have the fraction 623 divided by 1,680, you could simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 7. 7 goes into 62 8 times, which is 56. 62 minus 56 gives us 6 left over. And then 7 goes into 63 9 times. 7 goes into 16 2 times with 2 left over. And then 7 goes into 28 4 times. And then there's still a leftover 0. And then you can see if this fraction is still simplifiable again.